Oh, there's a birdie above my head, and I hope it doesn't poop on me. You're very cute. Please, please don't poop on me. Don't poop on me. You're not within shot of my coffee. But oh my god, it almost. Oh my god, birds are dicks. It didn't poop on me, but it pooped near me. It looked me dead in the eyes and pooped a few feet away from me. And here I am trying to make this really cool video of how important it is to have the right friends in your circle. Bird nearly poops on me. Yeah, birds are dicks. Have good friends.